Okay, we'll do what? We'll first search for download Python. Okay. When we do so, we'll have the first link itself. It's the official site of Python. So we'll be searching in that only. We'll get the latest version in the top one. See, it's 3.13 now. It is being downloaded. It's an executable file. We'll open that and we'll start the setup. Double click on that and then we'll start the setup there. Okay, please make sure to check boxes. Tick these two check boxes. Please make sure to check box. Okay, else your setup will not be successful. Will not be complete actually. Okay. Now it's initializing. The setup will not take much time. It will be very soon. It installs actually all the interpreters, the files, the libraries, all those required for your system to run Python. Okay. Okay, it's been installed. Now, once it is installed, I'll teach you how to check if it's correctly installed in your system or not. Let's wait for the message setup successful. Let's wait. It's almost over. Okay, setup was successful. And please ignore this disable path length limit. Okay, please ignore this one and setup is successful actually. Now we'll be checking it in the next video. Okay, please do till here. It's very easy and the simplest one.